Welcome to Selection with Sathi. Today we cover string matching algorithms, focusing on the KMP algorithm. We will start with the naive approach, then build up to KMP with its failure function and LPS array. We will also briefly cover Rabin-Karp as a bonus. String matching is a very important topic for GATE CSE and coding interviews. Let us begin. Let us start with the naive string matching algorithm. The idea is simple: slide the pattern across the text one position at a time. Look at line 4. For each starting position I in the text, we compare all m characters of the pattern. Lines 6 through 8, if any character mismatches, we break and try the next position. Line 10, if all characters match, we record the position. The worst case is O of n times m, for example, text is ABABAC and pattern is AAB. We compare almost all characters at every position. This is where KMP improves things dramatically. The key insight behind KMP is this: when a mismatch occurs at pattern position j, we already know that pattern 0 through j-1 matched the text. Instead of restarting from the next text position, we can skip ahead based on the structure of the pattern itself. KMP preprocesses the pattern to build the LPS array, also called the failure function. This array tells us, after a mismatch at position j, what is the longest prefix of the pattern that is also a suffix of what we have matched so far. This means the text pointer never moves backward. Total time is O of n for searching plus O of m for preprocessing. Let us understand the LPS array construction. LPS stands for longest proper prefix, which is also a suffix. Look at line 4. We maintain a variable length which tracks the previous longest prefix suffix. Line 7. If the current character matches the character at position length, we extend the prefix suffix and store it. Line 13. This is the crucial part. On a mismatch, instead of resetting length to 0, we fall back to LPS of length -1. This reuses previously computed information. Line 15. Only when length is already 0 do we set LPS to 0 and move ahead. The entire construction is O of m because each character is processed at most twice. Now the KMP search algorithm itself. Look at line 4. We maintain two pointers, I for text and j for pattern. Line 7. When characters match, advance both pointers. Lines 10 through 12. When j equals m, we have found a complete match. Record the position and set j to LPS of j-1 to continue searching for more matches. Lines 13 through 17. On a mismatch, if j is not 0, fall back j to LPS of j-1. Look at line 15. This is where KMP saves time. We do not restart j from 2000. Only when j is already 0 do we advance I. The text pointer I never decreases, guaranteeing O of n time. As a bonus, let us look at Rabin-Karp, another O of n plus m average time algorithm. The idea: compute a hash of the pattern and compare it with rolling hashes of text windows. Look at lines 5 through 7. We compute the initial hash of both pattern and first text window. Line 9. If hashes match, we verify character by character to avoid false positives. Lines 12 through 14. The rolling hash update removes the leading character and adds the trailing character in O of one time. Rabin-Karp's real strength is searching for multiple patterns simultaneously. Compute each pattern's hash once, then check all of them in a single pass. Worst case is still O of n times m due to hash collisions, but average is O of n plus m.
Let us trace the naive algorithm. Text is ABABAC, pattern is ABA. At position 0, I compare A to A, A to A, B to B, A to A. All match. Pattern found at index 0. At position 1, A matches A, but B does not match A, mismatch at J equals 1. At position 2, B does not match A, mismatch at J equals 0. We keep sliding. Most positions mismatch quickly. At position 9, A to A, A to A, B to B, A to A match. Found at index 9. At position 12, A to A to A, B to B, A to A match. Found at index 12. Total pattern found at positions 0, 9, and 12. The naive approach checked all 13 positions, doing up to 4 comparisons each. Now let us build the LPS array for pattern ABABAC step by step. LPS of 0 is always 0. At I equals 1, B versus A at position 0. No match. LPS of 1 is 0. At I equals 2, A matches A at position 0. Length becomes 1. LPS of 2 is 1. At I equals 3, B matches B at position 1. Length becomes 2. LPS of 3 is 2. At I equals 4, A matches A at position 2. Length becomes 3. LPS of 4 is 3. At I equals 5, C versus B at position 3. Mismatch. Fall back, length becomes LPS of 2 which is 1. C versus B at position 1. Still mismatch. Fall back, length becomes LPS of 0 which is 0. C versus A at position 0. Mismatch. Length is 0. LPS of 5 is 0. Final LPS array 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0. Now let us trace KMP search. Text is ABABAC, pattern is ABABAC, LPS is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0. Start with I equals 0, J equals 0. Characters match, A to A, B to B, A to A, B to B. Now I is 4, J is 4. Text position 4 is D, pattern position 4 is A mismatch. J is not 0, so J becomes LPS of 3 which is 2. Now J is 2. Still at I equals 4, D versus A at position 2. Mismatch. J becomes LPS of 1 which is 0. D versus A at position 0. Still mismatch. J is 0, so advance I to 5. Now from I equals 5, A to A, B to B, A to A, B to B, A to A, C to C. All match. J equals 6 equals M pattern found at position I minus J equals 5. KMP completed the search without ever moving the text pointer backward. Let us build LPS for a tricky pattern, ASA. Index 0 to 2, A, each extends the prefix. LPS becomes 0, 1, 2. Index 3, C, mismatch with A at position 2. Fall back to LPS of 1 which is 1. C versus A at position 1. Fall back to LPS of 0, which is 0. C versus A at position 0. Still mismatch. LPS of 3 is 0. Index 4 to 6. A. Restart matching from position 0. LPS becomes 1, 2, 3. Index 7. A. Length is 3. Compare A with pattern position 3, which is C. Mismatch. Fall back to LPS of 2, which is 2. Compare A with pattern position 2, which is A. Match. Length becomes 3. LPS of 7 is 3. Final LPS 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 3. The fallback chain at index 7 demonstrates why LPS construction is O of M amortized.
Quick exam tips. First, KMP is O of n plus m because the text pointer never moves backward. Naive is O of n times m in the worst case. Second, the LPS array is the heart of KMP. LPS of j-1 tells you exactly where to resume matching after a mismatch at position j. Third, Rabin-Karp is best when you need to search for multiple patterns in the same text. Compute each pattern's hash once and check all in one pass. Fourth, in Gate, they often ask you to build the LPS array step by step. Practice building LPS for patterns like ABABAC, ASA, and ABABAC. For more DSA concept videos with code walkthroughs, download the Selection with Sathi app. Like and subscribe. Thank you.